TikTok. That's TikTok. They know this. First time on the channel. Hey, it's your girl Kay, Lifestyle back here. What's up, guys? We're in Gap right now. We just went to where we went. We went to Urban Outfitters. She had to return something. We had went to this shoe store. What's it where? Oh, Charlotte Russe is in here, but we're in their mall, like I said. You can't force me. Yeah, we just looking around. Are we gonna buy something today? You gonna buy something?
No.
Why? Why not?
I'm broke.
Okay, she not broke, you guys. Oh look, we always be up in here. It's like we do go in here for 1 second. We not doing it. We always go in there. Hey guys, it's your girl Kay. Why didn't you turn up the light? Alright, we just got back in the car because apparently the mall, we didn't really see much. Well, I've seen stuff I like, but your girl pockets looking little right now. It's flying out. So we just
I can just imagine like you open your pocket and
okay. But now we finna go to this place called H Mart. It's basically like a Korean barbecue. I mean, I said Korean barbecue. Korean grocery store, and we finna eat some noodles. I wanted boba tea in the mall, but this girl talking about the H Mart gonna have it, and I'm not even sure. Do they even have it? You don't even know. If they don't have it, I'm sorry. I'm putting you in the chest, bro. Don't you dare. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to the place, and see y'all later. What's up, guys? We just got here to Super H Mart. Let me show y'all. Okay. Right there, Super H Mart. We just got here. Look at it, it's so pretty with the Christmas tree, and they got the Christmas lights. It's so pretty. I love it. But we honestly don't know what we're gonna get. We don't know if we want Korean corn dogs or noodles. I'm gonna show y'all when we get in there. Look here. We in here, and I got the ramen noodles, the vegetable with egg. Me and Yum, we both got it because Yum wanted to get something else, but they didn't have it, so we both got that. And then we got the Korean corn dogs, so we're gonna try the Cheetos hot dog. And look at the macarons, y'all. Look at her. What is this?
30% off.
Is what?
30% off.
What is it?
It's a bread
Kind of look good.
Yeah.
This is the Lush store. I want to get tea. I want to get bubble tea, y'all. Let's see if we see it. I don't see it, yo. You know what that means? Yeah. I don't see. Yeah, so I don't see the bubble tea.
Oh, yeah?
So you know what that means?
Right there.
Not the brown sugar
Are you
one.
making boba tea right now?
Yeah, I'm just gonna try them with girl. Good. What do you rate it? A 10? You just got our noodles. We got it real quick too. Like it didn't even take long. Now we just gotta get the corn dogs and we're ready to eat. We're gonna show y'all and see how it tastes. I'm gonna mix mine together. See? Ooh, the camera all fogged up. I can make noodles better than this, y'all. Nah, I'm playing. Let me stop. Like, please. Go ahead. Tell me what you think. It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, record my reaction now. Okay, let's see, y'all. Let's see. Is it hot?
It's hot. It's gonna burn your tongue.
What's that? Oh, yeah. This is pretty good. Alright, get back to y'all when we try the Korean corn dogs. Yeah, we're gonna try it. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. That's good. Come on, I gotta try another bite. Get to it. How was it? What did you rate it? The girl ate all hers. She had the sausage in her, and I just had it regular.
Okay, let's start with the first rating. This right here. 5.5.
5.5? Are you serious?
At first it was good when it
Don't
died,
seem like it was
but then,
5.5.
but then after it got cold, I got. This right here was a 5. It was actually a 4.5. This was, I didn't try it. 8.5. I don't like the honey on it.
That's a high number, okay. We got the chicken right here.
That was a 6.5.
Really?
Yeah,
It seemed like you liked that. 6.5 and it was good?
Okay.
Is it cold?
Hard.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna rate the noodles very much. I ate. It was good. We could have made this right at home. Like, come on now.
For real. We can buy 7 packs of noodles.
That's what you said for real.
It was $7.25. A pack of 5 noodles is $5, $5.99.
Yeah, we could have made it at home, but it was cool. This right here.
She's complaining about noodles when, you see this? She's complaining about noodles when she got those.
Look, let me show y'all. Let me just say he finessed this because we thinking it's gonna be like
Crushed. Like the crushed crumbs?
Yeah, the
Crumbs?
of the chip.
But no, whole chips.
He tried it though for real.
He was in a rush to go home, so he was already closed.
So I give that a 5, maybe 4.
Okay.
So we are done.
I'm knocked out for today.
You knocked out?
Knocked out.
I am full. I'm done eating for today. I ate good.
And we got free plates.
Yeah.
He told
Yeah.
me to take you home, free plates.
No, he didn't.
No, I'm just joking.
I was like, hold on, wait. I think he said take him back. But nah, we finna go back to the crib. And then, just have a little study session. We need to do some work. Because I'm not trying to... Oh, yeah, also. And I'm not trying to do no work while on this break. Because, oh, yeah, our break started. And, yes, she got her clothing brand. So, if y'all want to go follow it, it's called Soft Bunny. Softbunny.co. Look at her. Look at her want to come down.
Soft butter bread.
I'm going to put put it right here, the Instagram. Look at the Christmas tree. Look at that. Look at us right here. Yeah. Pictures, please. Yes, that is so pretty, y'all. Look at this. This is so pretty. This is just a nice view.
That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough.
I think we finna go to Target. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when we go to Target. We made it to Target. No, do not. Something is wrong with this girl right here. I think she's tired.
No.
But we made it to Target. We gotta get some a heater out of here. Not you can know. I guess it makes us feel bougie already. I can't be in Target for too long though because when I see Target, the clothes, oh my gosh.
Oh, pajamas.
Like, oh my god, it's so cute. But I can't. This.
I got a day for blanket.
I gotta work on. What?
I gotta get him a blanket.
Girl. But yeah, we finna see what we finna look at in here. I really wanna go to the gaming stuff because I wanna get some games to make some videos for y'all. Y'all wanna see videos of us playing a board game or something? That would be so fun. Just look at her. Where you get that from? Let me see.
My name's Trisha, baby Trisha.
Really? Oh, look, I need one of these. Look, I need one of these right here. Don't you get these? No, this one.
Yeah, me too. I need one of those.
I want to smell the candles, y'all. Let's see. Got the eggnog. Okay, that smells good. Christmas cheer.
You can't even sit in peace.